Hello friends, I'm here to talk about a 90% accurate trading indicator. Now, this trading indicator is going to absolutely do wonders for you. It's going to increase your capital in a mind-blowing way, mind-blowing way, and you'll never have to do anything except trade again. Now, before I go there and show you this beautiful indicator and also the trading results, uh, let me tell you about my paid mentorship. I am Neeraj Nayyar and I have a paid trading course. It's called Silver Membership, where I teach you price action and take you through the basics of price action and then introduce you to advanced concepts that help you get started in the stock market. And you can refer the link in the comments of this YouTube video. And remember, if you're going to trade without a mentor, you'll end up losing far more money than you normally would if you had paid mentorship, because you'll be able to understand how to control your risk. Now, let's go to 90% accurate trading indicator. That's going to do wonders. Now, you must have heard this, right? 90% accuracy through a trading indicator, and people are going to sell you their courses by saying that we are going to give you this trading indicator and it's 90% accurate, right? 90, some will even go to 95, 99, or somebody will say, join my course. My trading accuracy is 99% or even more, or 98% or 97%. So I'm just going to show you what 90% accuracy is. And just look at this Excel sheet, right? I've prepared this Excel sheet where I have introduced a column called trades taken. Accuracy is 90%, right? Like I told you, win or lose. So, and the risk reward is just 1:1. Not even 1:2 or 1:3. Like people say, you have to always go for 1:2, so that, when you make profits, you are able to take care of your losses. All that, no, not even all that nonsense. Just 1:1. Now, I'm assuming I have a capital of 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh capital, and I'm going to invest just 10% of my total capital per trade. Now, assuming that this wonderful trading indicator, right, that people promise you, will give at least one trade a day, right? Just one trade. I'm not even saying 2, 3 trades, 4 trades. In fact, it should give you multiple, right? But I'm saying just one trade a day in anything you want, right? Equity, FNO, intraday, commodity, forex, whatever. Just one trade. So you have an accuracy of 90. This is your win or lose, and the risk reward just 1:1. And I'm just investing 10%. Okay, I'm not even putting the 1 lakh because I don't want to exaggerate, right? So if I put in 10,000, I win here because it's 90% accuracy, right? So that means if you take 10 trades, you will win in 9 and lose in 1, right? 90% or 9 out of 10, it's the same thing, right? So I go with 10,000 and I make 10,000 and I make 1:1. So post-trade capital is 1,10,000, right? Because I had one, right? I had 1 lakh, but I invested only 10. So on 10, I made 10. In my second trade, see, I'm taking only one trade a week. There are 5 trading days. So here I'm showing you 2 weeks worth of trade, only one trade per day, and that also at a modest 1:1, right? So 1,20,000. I keep winning, right? Because accuracy is 90%, right? Like I said, I'm going to change your life for the better. Just stay till the end of the video. Otherwise, you're going to miss something that nobody will ever tell you, because they want to sell you their courses by making fraudulent promises. Nobody can guarantee profit. Forget 90%. Nobody can guarantee your success. They can teach you, they can ground you, they can give you good price action foundations, and the rest is up to you. If you have a good mentor, you follow sound risk advice, you spend time in the market, journal your trades, slowly and steadily, you will become profitable. There is no way in hell you cannot become profitable. But you need to follow proper risk management, proper strategy, proper common sense, proper mentoring. And there is no quick rich scheme, right? It's going to take time. And you never leave your day job or your business to pursue trading full time as promised by many people. And many people have been fined by SEBI. Please go and look up in Google and find out the reviews of each and every mentor that promises huge returns. If you can find them, you may not be able to find them. You may just get goody stuff. But then up to you. Now, here at the end of 1 week, I'm winning, right? 90%. I've taken only 5 trades so far. And I made 10K, 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 10,000. So I made 1,50,000. 10,000 here, 10,000. Now, this is my week second. My week second starts with my 6th trade on Monday. I again make 10,000. But remember, it's 90% accuracy, right? Or 9 out of 10. So one trade I lose. So here, I lose one trade, right? 10,000, 1:1, I lose 10,000. So my trading capital reduces from 160 to 150K, right? But again, win, 1 lakh 80. Now, starting capital is 1 lakh, ending capital is 1 lakh 80,000, as you see here, right? So what is the profit return? 1 lakh 80,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. How much did I make? 80,000 divided by 1 lakh, I made 80%, right? So one trade per day, then in 2 weeks, we end up with 80% return. That means 144% in a month, right? Because this is just at the end of 2 weeks, right? I've made 80%. So at the end of 1 month, I have drawn here because I have shown 2 weeks here because it takes 2 weeks, assuming one trade a day, to show you what that 90% accuracy looks like. So this week 2, profit and return, like I showed you here, 80%. Week 4, right? Now 80% with the capital, I made another 80%, right? So it's 144% now. Similarly, week 6, I'm building up on 144 profit return and I made another 80% on this. So now my total return is 250. Your profits are getting compounded, guys. Okay? Your profits are getting compounded. So you started with 1,80,000 at the end of 2 weeks, and there you go. This is what you get at the end of 4 weeks. Just 1 lakh capital, guys. You make 3,24,000. At the end of 6 weeks, 5,83,000. And at the end of 32 weeks, which is around 8 months, right? I'll have to count, see, 3 to 5 lakh. This is 43 lakhs. This is 121 crores. This is 121 crores, guys. Huh? You made 121 crores at the end of 32 weeks because 3 into 5, so this is 43 lakhs. So this is 121 crore. 43 lakh just at the end of 32. Let's see what happens at the end of 52. Guys, I don't even know how to say this. It's beyond my comprehension. You have 3, this is 58 lakhs. And this is just 58 lakhs from here, right? And I've got 3 into 5 figures. So I don't even know how much this is. This is I can't even tell you how many billions or trillions this is. This is at the end of 52 weeks. Assuming that obviously you didn't take money because you have 90% accuracy, right? 90% accuracy gives you 80% return and you keep compounding it. So this is how much you would make if you had a 90% accuracy, trading accuracy indicator. Now the poor chaps who are trying to sell you their course along with that magical indicator, which is a black box, and they will tell you they've got so many things in it, and obviously they will not explain. You'll get a buy signal, it'll tell you the stop loss, it'll tell you the exit. Why are those poor chaps so poor? If they've been trading even for 1 year, they already have this amount. And if they started with 1 lakh, even if they started with 10,000, they are going to make hell lot of money. Why would they waste their time mentoring you, teaching you, sharing their secret indicator? And why would industrialists work all year round, spend thousands of crores, take loans of thousands of crores, employ thousands of people, and just make around 20%? The top companies in India or abroad for that matter, or Fortune 50 companies will not be making more than 20% a year. 20% post pre-tax, I'm talking about EBITDA, total net profit before tax will not be more than 20% on an average. But here, just look at the return, 80% in 2 weeks. Why don't these industrialists buy this trading indicator, take this course, and start investing? Forget 1 lakh, they'll start investing 1 crore. They'll start with a capital of 1 crore or 10 crore, and you can multiply this with that figure. And all they need to do is just in 1 year, they'll be more richer than the richest man on the planet. I hope you guys are understanding. When somebody is promising you, I have 99% trading results, believe me, I have an indicator that has 90% accuracy. You must simply run. Understand that they are cheating you. Nobody can promise any guaranteed return. There is no such thing as a trading indicator with 60, 70, 80, 90% accuracy. You need to learn and understand how the market works. You need to understand price action, whether with or without an indicator. And the market is all about taking risks. Risks because you understand price action and you work with the confluence of factors so that the possibility of success is more in your favor than against it. But again, there are no guarantees. Neither I nor anybody can guarantee you profitability. The only thing you can do is learn from a good mentor, practice, put time in the market, and over a period of time, become consistently profitable. I hope that you got a good learning. Whenever you see somebody proclaiming 99% accuracy, 90% trading indicator, you must understand that those people are making a fool out of you. Look at this. And if you don't believe me, you can try this. All I've done is add 10,000 here. All I've done is, I'll even show you the formula. All I've done is take this at the end of 2 weeks and multiply it by 80%. This is very simplistic. And then the same thing here and here. I have not put fraudulent figures here. They are making a fool out of you. And the sooner you wake up, the better it is. Now, if you're really interested in learning from a mentor who doesn't promise you the sun and the moon, go through the comments in this YouTube video and you'll find my paid mentorship link. And you can choose to go in, and I can promise you a lifetime of good learning. I cannot guarantee your success. Only you can do that. I can teach you price action fundamentals, some advanced concepts, and help you to hone your trading. But instead, if you would like to go for somebody who promises you the sun and the moon, and they have already made so much, but they're still selling their course at 5,000, 10,000 because they are so large-hearted, it's up to you. I can only show you the truth. I can only show you the mirror. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next. Good trading for now.